Good morning. This morning we're going to be looking at dollar against the Canadian dollar. We've initiated a sell trade in this currency pair, but we're briefly going to talk about the dollar index first. Now, here we can see quite an aggressive move to the upside and then this move lower from the 94.10 area. We've just seen a very mild recovery. Now, these corrective formations are normally made of three waves, so there's nothing to say that this corrective sell-off has come to an end. We've got trendline support or channel support, which could potentially be a right shoulder located at 92.45. And then we've got this 61.8% pullback level at 92.18. So our bias at the moment is still for lower levels in the dollar, and we're looking for rallies to be sold into. Now, if we break down and look at the dollar CAD and break down through time frames. First of all, we've got the monthly chart. Here we can see we've got an evening star formation posted very close to the 78.6% pullback level, and we've started to move to the downside. Now, the weekly chart highlights a channel breakout, an aggressive sell-off, and then we've seen this correction to the upside. Now, there's no real reason why we should have a change of trend from this low, and in fact, the 127.2% extension is located at 118.50. That's close to a previous swing low, and the ABCD formation is not seen until 115.65. So there's plenty of scope for downside movement yet in this currency pair. If we go to the daily chart, here we can see that we've broken out of a corrective channel formation. We're holding within the Ishimoku cloud, which sometimes results in quite choppy and volatile intraday trading. DMARC has posted a 13 count on the daily chart, and that normally highlights that a top's in place. If we break down to the 4-hour chart, this is quite an important chart. Here we've got an ending wedge pattern. Yesterday's price action saw a retest of the breakout level, the breakout trend, and we started to move lower. And in fact, if we go down to the 2-hour chart, here we've got another potential bearish Gartley formation. So we're looking for lower levels in dollar CAD, and it is corrective, but it does offer quite good risk reward over the next few days. So we're short in dollar CAD at 125.26. We've got a stop placed at 125.90. The first target area is here, which is 124.25, which is our bespoke support. If we break that, then we'll look for the wedge target at 123.40.